Hello students, let us see the questions given in English workshop. Honeybees live an organized life like human beings. Discuss what work the following honeybees do as per the poem. Write down in your own words in your notebook. So you discuss and we have also discussed in our class. Let me repeat once again to help you to write your notes. First one is king or emperor bee. The king or emperor bee is the leader who watches the activities of the daily common bees and accepts honey and nectar from them as a reward. And second one, magistrate bee. These are the officer bees that manage the actions of others and discipline or control them. Third one is C, merchant bees. These are the trader bees that collect and distribute honey both inside and outside the honeycomb. Then soldier bees. These are the bees that protect the hive and gather nectar from flowers from outside the hive. And mason bees. These are the builders bees that sing and build the high walls of the hive using wax to store honey. Then see civilian bees. Civilian bees are the ordinary civilian bees that make honey by mixing nectar and blending it together. Porter bees. Here, these are the laborer bees that carry heavy loads to their king in the hope of entering his gates. Judge bee, last one. Judge bee that give their judgment on the drone and hand him to the executor to punish them for being lazy. Now see the questions. Complete the following choosing the appropriate options. See second question. Complete the following choosing the appropriate options. Human beings can learn from honeybees how to lead an organized nation. Second question. Soldier bees carry home the nectar looted from flowers. Third one is the emperor bee supervises the building of the beehive. The dash bees make honey from nectar. The civilian workers. The drone is given a death sentence because he does not do any work. Then complete the phrases using from the poem. See, dash march, merry march, royal tent, singing masons, mechanic porters, heavy burdens, pale executors.